Hello! Today we're going to be learning about three-quarter turns and what that means. Okay, do you know what a three-quarter turn is? Great, because if you don't, then stick around because we're going to teach you what that means. So a three-quarter turn. Okay, you can see this circle, which is a whole turn. Now let's split that up. So if you can imagine that this circle is split into quarters, so you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3/4 would mean, quite clearly, that you're going to start at the top and you're going to go past 1, that's 1/4, 2/4, or otherwise known as a half, and then go all the way around until 3/4. So this mark would mean you've turned the shape 3/4. So you've gone round like that. Okay? So use this information. Play the next game and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!